Hi, today I am going to trace the origins of mortgage and explain how a mortgage works in the 21st century. I am also going to present the work profile of a mortgage advisor, which will not only be useful for you to strike the best mortgage deal, but will also help you to get started with career in mortgage. Housing is a primary need of every human being, as there is an increase in urbanization and a shift from the joint family system to the nuclear family system. A plan for a house generally cannot be funded out of a family's salary income or savings, as it is a huge outlay of funds. And not only the savings are meager, but the real estate prices are also soaring. One of the biggest investment decisions most people take is financial commitment for the home loan. In pursuance of the national housing policy of central government, Reserve Bank of India has been facilitating the flow of credit to the housing sector. Since housing has emerged as one of the sectors attracting a large quantum of bank finance, the current focus of the Reserve Bank of India's regulations is to ensure orderly growth of housing loan portfolios of the banks. Now I'm going to reveal a secret of Andrew Carnegie. He says 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. To add to this secret, Brian Tracy says at least 80% of millionaires are self-made. That is, they started with nothing but ambition and energy, the same way most of us start. Similarly, a large number of people invest in real estate to meet the primary human need of shelter, and most of them take their own decisions based on their limited knowledge. Most investors are unaware of the serious consequences of wrong decision making, and therefore many of them have even lost their shirts on real estate investments that they had purchased in the hopes of profiting from appreciation. And hence it is very essential to know what to do and how to benefit while we invest our hard-earned money in real estate. Remember, none of this is a rocket science. It's simply gathering a bunch of documents together and making some sense out of the details contained in them. Developers go to any extent to attract the home buyers, especially during the festive seasons. Gudi Padwa, a predominantly Maharashtrian festival when it comes to getting oneself involved in the residential property market. This community specific function is not only limited to Maharashtrians. Gudi Padwa coincides with New Year festivals of various other communities like the Ugadi in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, the Vishu in Kerala, the Baisakhi in Punjab, the Poila Baishakh in the West Bengal, and the Puthandu in Tamil Nadu. Not only do developers offer several discounts and festive schemes to attract the home buyers, the latter too wait for the occasion to get respite from the otherwise soaring real estate prices in the city. Some of the common deals offered this year in Mumbai included the 10-gram gold coins, free registration, free parking lots per square foot, and lump sum cash discounts with home electronics, cars, and zero floor rise charge as attractions. The developers also offered free stay at resorts and spas. Gudi Padwa is also considered an auspicious time to invest in the real estate. Developers are also offering white goods, low mortgage rates for a fixed period, and the subvention schemes to garner maximum bookings on this auspicious day. Now the buyers, on the other hand, have various reasons to purchase a house. In India, purchasing a flat has a lot of emotional value attached to it. Land, which is the fundamental real estate investment instrument, is also used as an option of wealth appreciation by long-sighted players by investing in rapid developing locations and availing the tax incentives too. It may be possible for some to work out a low rate in some emerging locations if one is well prepared and follow the basic principles of house buying. Negotiating with confidence increases the chances that the outcome will be positive for both the parties. Since real estate is an eminently resellable asset, many people put perfectly acceptable flats in the market after a few years of use because they want to upgrade with their respective desire to push the envelope of architectural design and luxurious living. According to magicbricks.com research, a considerable size of population belonging to the lower and middle income class people is looking for properties in the range of rupees 20 to 50 lakhs budget. Buy or rent is a dilemma that faces most Mumbaikars with good reason. On one hand, there is the concern that making a quick purchase decision may result in losing out a better home down the line. At the same time, the high cost incurred in leasing an apartment can offset the advantage of waiting. Some buyers even prefer to buy organic farms to own a farming experience minutes away from the hustling lives of the city amidst the gurgling river and a rich, fertile land in spite of being well settled in their profession. This option not only meets their investment option in land, but a farm produces organic pesticides, free fruits and vegetables that can keep them healthy, wealthy as well as happy. Mumbai is expected to witness the highest cumulative demand and supply for office space for the period 2012 to 2016 compared to top cities across India, according to a Cushman and Wakefield's estimate. Compared to the fast-growing cities like Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad and Kolkata, Mumbai's office space demand is estimated to be approximately 44 MSF, while supply will outstrip the demand by over 20. Evolving paradigm future of Indian real estate in association with Global Real Estate Institute. So the demand is expected to outstrip by over 20%. The demand drivers for the Mumbai's office space will be led by banking, insurance, financial services, consulting, media companies who will mostly need large corporate offices. The multinational companies across the sectors of the economy are expected to contribute to absorption by taking up the grade A spaces in the city. Recently, a Business Standard news article had reported as follows. For those looking to invest in real estate, commercial property is a better option than residential at this point of time from the investment perspective. Given the oversupply in the commercial real estate spaces, prices are currently at rock bottom as compared to the residential properties. With a stable government at the center and the renewed sense of confidence among the industry, there is expectation that there will be more demand for the office space. So investing in prime commercial properties now is a good option. You can get properties of rates cheaper than residential properties and can also earn from the rental income. So there is a scope for both capital appreciation as well as the regular income. With the launch of Real Estate Investment Trust, popularly known as the REIT, commercial real estate will be managed by professional asset management companies, similar to the mutual funds. REITs will create the depth, liquidity, and transparency in the market. With the policies still in the draft stage, REITs guidelines, once refined further, will give the fillip to commercial space. With the rise of India as an ideal business destination, commercial real estate is a safe bet for investors looking for attractive yields. With the economy set to grow in the coming years, there will be more demand for the commercial properties. Real estate is an integral ingredient in the formation and growth of all businesses and is steadily maturing into a big business itself. Decision makers have been in a state of indeterminacy given the fabric and structure of how the country keeps oscillating between the promises and optimism and persistent challenges and policy inertia. The recently approved Real Estate Regulatory Bill is an important initiative by the government to address the concerns of the real estate sector. The Land Acquisition and Rehabilitation and Resettlement Bill that is yet to be approved is also expected to be another step towards regulating the real estate sector. Experts say that buyers' sentiments have improved post-budget, and they are looking at opportunities to close the impending deals. Both buyers as well as investors are investigating their options.